Hey everybody, it's Julianne at Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, June 26th, and today is one of our blender review days. So blenders are a kind of category of fabric that reads as a solid but has a little bit more interest in it. And in our shop, the blenders are all around the outside walls. Like you can actually see our blue-green blenders right here behind me. And today we are highlighting Rapture. This is by QT Fabrics, and we have Rapture in 80 colors. So we just pulled a few of our favorites to share with you. Now, again, blenders are something that we reorder all the time, so it often doesn't make our videos because, getting new in for us in the back is not new because we see it all the time, and we order in batches of 20 or 30 bolts when we're running low on something. So we thought it would be fun to spend some of our summer days highlighting some of our favorite blenders. Last week we did Art Gallery Floral Elements, and then this week we have Rapture. We have several more blender collections here in the shop as well. So we actually have a blender collection drop down on our website as well. So if you wanted to see all the blender groups that we have, I will link to that in the description of today's video. So you can peruse all of them. You can also search by color or by pattern. We have lots of searchability on our website. So there's lots of ways to find what's going to be your next favorite blender. Look how bright and sunny that one is. Bright and grassy, I guess, not sunny. The next one's sunny. So again, this is only just a small smattering. I think we have 14 bolts here on the counter out of 80 different colors. So if you're looking for a particular color in Rapture, you are going to find it here. Hope you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.